Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking your device performance in Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Checking your device performance in Mobile Legends is easy. Tap the settings icon from the top right of the main dashboard. In Settings, select Network Test from the bottom. Here on the Network Test tab, tap the Performance Test tab on the left. Tap Start Test. The test will run and give your device a grade. The higher the number, the better, and it will tell you what percent of players your device is better than. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.